Hello guys, here I welcome you with new video, and in today's video is a bit different than my normal videos because in today's video I'm going to design this part, and first I will design this part on my this software, Inventor software, and then I will print this part by using my this 3D printer. So here I have the 3D printer, which is its Artillery X1 sidewinder, and its dimensions are 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters, like for x-axis 300 millimeters, for y-axis 300 millimeter, and in the z-axis it's 400 millimeters. So it can print 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters by 400 millimeters object. Or one of my customer asked me to design and fabricate this, and this is actually this is the part of a cycle, the Startrac cycle. If you have an idea, or if you have an experience of repairing such kind of things, that you know that these things are used in our cycles for blowing the wind, because here we have the fan over here, and once the fan is started, it blows the air inside this cavity, and since this is installed in the front of panel, and it blows, or it's come the air from these holes. And another actually this comes with another part, and let me check if I have that part as well. Oh yeah, I have this. So this is another part. So here we have another part. So actually this part installed here, like we install this part here, and this is the adjustable, actually some, I don't know what's technically this, I think it's either grill, yeah, grill, exactly. Okay, so we can adjust this grill to adjust the direction of a wind. But actually, since in Pakistan most of the treadmills, most of the equipment, most of the fitness equipments are like purchased or like imported from other countries, from the third world countries, like from Europe or from America, and during traveling they lost too many things. And but the main thing of this is that this part was designed in two parts, or sorry, it was fabricated in two parts. So I will design, or I will fabricate this part in a one piece, because it's convenient for me to design this part in a single unit rather than a double one. So what I did, so here I would like to share something with you. So here you can see, I have designed this part over here. So if I can scroll it, you can see its dimension. So this is the Autodesk Inventor software, and I use this software to design such kind of thing, and then I import these things into for my slicer software. And here I have the software. So this is the software, this is the slicer software for my 3D printer. And although I have designed it's all program, and I have generated the slicer object, and what I am gonna do, I will use my USB to save this program in my I will save this program. I don't know where I left the USB. Okay, too many things. Okay, let me check. Oh, I got it. So here I have the USB. I'm going to plug this USB into my laptop port, and what I will do, this video is for the persons who are dealing with the software like treadmills and parts, and if they want to design some parts for their self. So here I'm going to slice the software, so it's being sliced. So once it's completed, so I will unplug the USB and I will plug USB over here, and then I will start the print command, and then it will start the printing of what I have designed. So once my design is completed, I will verify that with this part. So one thing which is important, if you don't know about the 3D printing, that's it, the things which is important, or the thing which should be in your mind, is that the orientation. For example, if you are going to design, or if you're going to make this part in this direction, the results will different. If you're going to make this parts in this direction, the results will be different, and vice versa. So there are too many orientations and the results could be different. And so let's see my orientation, and I will show the results with you. The more important thing which I think I should tell you, so here I have the filament. It's the filament of it's PLA plus, and its quality is good and it works good. So, and the things I already made on the 3D printer I made. So here we have the live fitness key. So here you can see the key of live fitness treadmill, and I designed this key by using this 3D printer, and I also used a magnet. It's very strong magnet. Oh, it's very strong. So and today I'm going to design this one. So let me plug in the USB. So here my slicer software has completed the slicing. Here you can see the slicing results, and it's showing me that this will completed in 4 hours and 18 minutes, and these are some information, but these are not accurate, because like if it's showing the 4 hours and 18 minutes, it could be completed in a plus minus 15 minutes. So it can reach to 4 hours and 30 minutes, and it can complete this work by 4 hours. So it could be like in a plus minus 15 minutes. So I'm going to save the file, or save for SD print. So I'm going to save for SD print. So there are some options. I'm going to save my USB drive. So here I have my USB drive, and I think I should mention the name. So I will say air blower, air blow. So it's air blow for Startrac. So it's in shortcut. So now I will save it. Save. The USB is blinking. Now it's completed. So let me plug it out. I'm going to print. So here I have the air blower. Confirm. So let me pull out this. So once meanwhile it's getting ready, I'm going to show some of my other designs with you. So I designed some too many other things like over here. So here we have the life fitness safety key, and I also designed some parts of it's the treadmill cups. So you can see once it's getting lowered. So here we have the treadmill cups. I designed these treadmill cups inside the on this by using this printer, and also I designed some life fitness safety key, and so okay guys, now I have completed the printing of this air blowing mechanism, or the casing for air blows. So you can see a lot of things inside, like the wastages of material, and here you also can see, but these are the things that are sometimes the drawback of 3D printer, because sometimes you have to create the sports, and sometimes it's very difficult to remove that sports. So anyhow, but here you can see I have designed this part, and actually the original part was this. So this was the original part, and this is the design part. So if I can zoom it, yes. So this is the my design part using 3D printer. I printed this using 3D printer, and here is the part manufactured through like injection molding, and in injection molding we should have some dyes, and it's a very expensive process. But anyhow, I have fabricated this for my customer, and I have also printed this grill for this part, because since this part will attach to this part, and here we have the part. So this is the grill, this which you can adjust during your exercise, and air comes through this hole and reaches over this grill, and you can adjust the direction of air by using this grill. So I'm done with this, and by using my 3D printers. So we can in my next video I will draw the safety key of life fitness treadmill. So keep tuning my videos and keep watching my videos, and I will come with another videos for you guys. So thank you very much for watching this.